Good morning. I woke up, did my workout. I just went on the treadmill. Let me pause that. I didn't even go and do Pilates. I literally just went on the treadmill. It's noon, by the way, so afternoon, not good morning. And then I went outside and watered my garden. It's really just a prepping day for me for YouTube videos and planning out new content. Oh my God, girl, I am trying not to get bored, but I'm trying to mix up my content. Like, I feel like if I am not enjoying the content I'm making, you guys probably aren't either. So I'm thinking of some new video ideas, some new ways to film, just to keep things interesting, you know? I'm about to take my vitamins and watch the latest episode of From. This show is crazy. What are they pointing to? Is that the post office?
What's wrong?
What is going on in this show? Okay guys, it is now 2:05. I had breakfast. I finished the episode of From, which was absolutely crazy, insane. So much happened. What I've been doing is finding new video titles, creating bullet points as like a little storyboard for the video, and then I'm organizing it on what days I want it to be posted. I'm basically using the Notion template that I showed you guys, and I'm also planning out my community engagement posts, and then I think that's what I'm gonna do for now, because the thing about social media is everything is a process. Like if you want to be on multiple platforms, it is a process. YouTube, you have to plan out the videos. You have to plan out if you're going to do main channel videos and vlogs, if you're just going to do vlogs, like what's going to be your content. Then you have to say, do you want to be involved in YouTube shorts? Because then you have to plan out the YouTube shorts. Do you want to be involved with community posts? Because then you have to plan out the community posts. And then do you want to branch out to other sites? Like, are you going to be on Instagram posting multiple times a week? And now Instagram is different. Like, you can't just post and run away. Like, it's really based on engagement and who you're engaging with, and that's who pops up first on the feed. So I feel like it's more difficult to be discovered. And then if you want to do TikTok, you have to, like, TikTok I'll say is the easiest, and that's why I've kind of moved away from Instagram and I'm focusing more on TikTok, because TikTok I feel like you can grow a little bit more organically. Like, I can post, engage with my regular content, and still attract like new viewers. What gets me excited to film is when I have ideas in my head that I know I can create, and like I can see visually what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna say in the video. That's what makes me excited to create content. Like, for example, I'm gonna make a video on like my current style philosophy, like basically like the whole minimalist wardrobe, not buying every season, kind of finding your staples, what you love, what feels good. And then also, I'm not gonna spoil the video, but there's a couple of good points in there. Good morning, guys. Today's a filming day. Goal is to film 2 videos and edit TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, and community posts. Last night I finished all my planning. I made a new template for my community posts, and later on today, after I finish filming and I get new photos, I'm gonna figure out a new template for my YouTube thumbnails. So that's where we are today. I'm really excited about the videos that I planned out. I'm actually interested in the titles and the topics that I'm going to be giving you guys, so I hope you guys also like watching them as well. But yeah, I'm about to get ready. I'm probably going to eat something quick, maybe like oatmeal. That's super filling. Maybe some fruits, and then we'll do our makeup together. And what else? Do our makeup together. We'll get dressed together. And I'll show you guys some new tech that I got. I'm obsessed with this. If you guys couldn't tell, I am not a makeup girly. I do what I can, I do what I must. No muss, no fuss. Alright guys, and that's the makeup look. It's very simple, clean. So now that makeup is done, I'm probably just gonna set up my camera. I'll probably show you guys some of the tech and then I'll get right to filming. I have my second DJI here, and then I just have like the secondary accessories. But what I really wanted to show you guys is this baddie right here. So she may look unpresuming, but she's really the GOAT, because this is how I get. Okay, so I did upgrade my iPhone, so now it's 4K on the front camera. However, previously it was not 4K and you wanted to film with your back camera but you can't see yourself. So I got this little baddie. So this helps me film with my back camera and still be able to see myself. It comes with this black ring. I just keep this on my phone at all times. And then you just smack it together like that. So that when you're filming, it'll broadcast what you're seeing on the back of your phone. Literally, if you do social media or you take photos or YouTube or whatever with your phone, you need this. This is essential, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the filming setup and then I'm gonna go eat. And then I'm gonna pick out some outfits. I think this is actually a sit down and talk video, which I haven't done in a while. So I'm probably just gonna pick out a outfit and then set up. I think I'm gonna film somewhere in the living room. We have my main camera, which is the Sony a7 III. This is actually now an older version. I think they came out with a 4, but I'm obsessed with this. I probably will never get rid of this. And this is a Sigma 35 millimeter 1.4 lens, both of them up here, so I get the ring light plus I get a phone stand at the same time. This is my monitor, so basically while I'm filming I can see myself on a much bigger screen. All right, here's the outfit. It's super simple. I mean, it's a sit down video, so I'm not doing anything crazy. Okay, I just finished filming one of my first videos. It was so fun. I loved it so much. I want to go outside because I need to check on my hydrangeas because I'm a plant mother. And then I have and then my friends are coming over to watch Love Island tonight. And I think that's it. I literally just had a snack. I had Cheez-Its and Teddy Grahams. Because I'm not that hungry. I just wanted like a little snack, okay? I just got mail. I've been getting these Our House newsletters because I use them to clip on my like inspiration board for my interior design stuff. So I'm actually gonna take a break from filming because I think I'm gonna do a get unready with me and like show some beauty products, and I'll use that for like TikTok and YouTube stories. And then in the meantime, I'll do some designing. Okay guys, it is officially 5 o'clock. I finished just about when I thought I would, just about here. Really excited for that content. I liked what I filmed today. It's pouring down. If you guys can hear the rain, I like to open my front door and like pull the screen down when it rains, or like when it's a really nice day, just to let some fresh air in. And it's like a vibe listening to the sound of the rain. Now I really want to take a nap, but no, I'm gonna make dinner, and then probably gonna do some editing